3D. So fun. Ooh, hey, take a good look at the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. We're gonna have a pop quiz on that in just a second. Did anyone ride Jurassic World the Ride today? Ah, is it awesome? I'm so jealous I haven't gotten to ride it yet. I keep giving tours. All right, so I think everyone's seen it now, so here's your pop quiz. Just yell it out if you know the answer. What was missing from that gyrosphere? The glass, that's right. It's really difficult to film glass because of the reflections. So they filmed the whole sequence without the glass. Then went in post-production using CGI, computer-generated imagery, and filled the glass in digitally. I'm sure you guys will be fine. Just, play dead. I think that should help. Oh, goodness gracious. I don't know what's gonna happen. We've got some remains of some dinosaurs here. Oh my gosh, and then on your left-hand side, there's a Spinosaurus. Now, fossil evidence told us a lot about how these dinosaurs should look, but they didn't tell us much about how they would sound, so that was up to the sound designer. They took sounds from multiple animals, elephants and seals and dogs, and they sped them up and they slowed them down, and they assigned a new sound to each species of dinosaur. Now, one way we could create a lot of the suspense and intensity in a film like Jurassic Park is with weather effects. Did you ever notice that when a big scary dinosaur was on screen, it was raining? Now you might be saying, well, hold on, Jasmine, you live in beautiful, sunny Southern California. How are you just gonna make it rain when you're riding a dinosaur? Well, I'll tell you. First, we think about what we would want for any given storm. We might want some lightning, so we're gonna put some flash boxes on the roofs of the buildings, like the ones on your right-hand side. We might want some thunder. Now, the tricky thing about sound effects, if they're recorded live with the actors, a lot of times those sounds can get muddled, and we want a nice clean take of the actors talking. So often, sound effects will be added in post-production. The sound mixer will adjust them to the appropriate levels. All right, so we've got lightning, we've got thunder. I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? What am I missing? Oh, rain! There it is. We get that by putting a sprinkler system in the trees and on the rooftops. We aim those sprinklers straight up into the sky and just let the water fall down naturally. Now, in the early days of movie making, films were in black and white. So in order to get enough of a contrast for that water to show up on the screen, they would often add ink or even milk to the water. And of course, we can increase the intensity of the storm. We can make the lightning flash faster. We can make the thunder rumble louder. And we can add more and more and more rain until it builds into a flash flood. That's our flash flood effect here in Old Mexico. Check out how it was used in Big Fat Liars, starring the incomparable Paul Giamatti. I tell you. Recently, Leonardo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt, Timothy Olyphant, and Luke Perry were out here having a hot time in Hollywood. This Luke Perry's final film, by all accounts, he was an amazing human being. So I'm excited to see him in that film. Well, they say time flies when you're having fun. We must be having some fun, Party Tram, because we're already halfway through our tour. So where whatever they were filming in here is going to take place. So I see some East Bay and Golden Gate Park signs. So we're in San Francisco. I see some payphones and some newspaper boxes. So I'm going to guess whatever this scene, movie or TV show is, it's in the mid to late 90s. That's my guess. You young ones can Google payphones later. I'll cry in my dog cat Margo talks. Now on any script, I'm serious. On any script, there would be somebody called a script supervisor. Feelings and tremors here in Southern California. All right, we're gonna figure this out. So we're gonna just oh, there's the second story I told you about. Watch out for the truck. those practical mechanical effects with digital effects. Sharks! No, it's fine. Don't worry. We caught the shark. It's right there. Do remain seated, though. My buddy George is a police diver. He's just doing one last sweep of the water. So as soon as he gives us the go-ahead, we can enjoy a nice, relaxing night at the beach. I'm thinking pina coladas. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. What are you guys pointing at? What? Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. George is in the... Okay, we've got to get his attention. So, on the count of 3, everybody just yell George. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't think he can hear us. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he definitely cannot hear us. Oh, George. Good night, sweet prince. Okay, nobody panic. This yellow barrel in the middle has bait. If the shark takes the barrel, we can get the shark, all right? So everybody keep an eye out. See if you see anything over there. All I see is a bunch of ripples. Oh, he's taking the barrel! He's taking the whole pier. How big is this shark? Shark in the original production, Jaws, his name was Bruce, and that shark was named after Steven Spielberg's attorney. All right, my friends, we are now approaching one of our most spectacular events. This is the crash from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. That's a real Boeing 747 on your left-hand side, bought and destroyed specifically for this production. Over 100 tons of debris went into making these sets, everything from toys, shoes, to vehicles. Here's Steven Spielberg and production designer Rick Carter to tell you more about it.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going, somebody. Listen.
All right, here's the setting. Here's your motivation. One of you on this tram is a witness, and international criminal Owen Shaw is after you. But our friends Dominic Toretto and his crew have offered to keep us safe. So we're pulling you through to Sullivan's garage. You do not need your glasses on. They've been out street racing all day whenever they do that. Yep, sounds like there's a pretty raging after party going on. Let me see if I can pull someone away from it long enough to help us out here. Sit tight.
FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's just back up a little bit. Got it. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss. That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You can shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Yeah.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. my turn.